Greek dramatists. The first three tragedy writers, Aeschylus, or Aeschylus, called by Englishmen, Aeschylus, Sophocles, and then Euripides. And then the best comedy writer in the whole world, I think, Aristophanes. And I translated one of his plays, I acted it. It was a beautiful play. That all the plays translated here with not on every the writer and their main works. Introduced to the general public in Sri Lanka because they had no other way of reading Greek theatre. And this, I think, is the most popular book on this subject in Sri Lanka.
Oh.
I like all the Greek plays, one by Euripides. Euripides, that's Medea. It's a good play.
Anything you want to read?
And
Any verse?
any verses? Oh, I can think of some from Aristophanes' words. He's one of the best players of Aristophanes. Verses you need, no? Anyway.
Anything is okay.
This is a proper comedy.
Okay.
Now the two people take two birds to show them the way. So they are both taking the very way and they are very tired now. They said, මෙච්චර දුරකුත් ඇවිල්ලා වෙච්ච ඇබැද්දී හැබෑට ඇතිමුත් ලොකු ඕනකමක් කුරුළු විමානයට වඩින්න. හරිම අමාරුවක් වැටිලා පාර හොයාගන්න බැරුව අහන්න හොඳ මහත්තුරනේ ජරමරයක් වෙලා අපට. මුළු බඳින්ම වෙනස් එකක් සකස් තබුණ කරදරයට. කිසිම රටක් නැහැ මිනිහව කැමති වුණේ භාර ගන්න. රිංගාගත් නිසා හොඳයි අන්තිමේදී අපේ රටට. එහෙම නොවයි අපි වැදගත් මිනිස්සු පෙළපතක කදිම පුරවැසියන් අතරත් පුරවැසියෝ අයිති ඉහළ පෙළට. කවුරුත් නැහැ බය කරලා එළෙව්වේ අපේ රට.